Are you looking for a healthcare facility that practices modern medicine the old-fashioned way? GracePointe Healthcare has gone back to how things used to be, with their patients paying at the time of their visit. Here to tell us more is Rob Tomsett and Gigi McMurray. Welcome to the show today.
Thanks, glad to be here.
So we're going to be talking about GracePointe Healthcare, and I've heard you all are really affordable. Talk about the typical visit, how much it costs.
The typical new patient is $89, existing patients are $69, and then our labs are very affordable, typically between $5 and $25 for most of the basic lab tests, which is very affordable.
And so how this works, they pay that day?
Correct. They pay. We talk about everything. They decide if they know what the prices are, if they were willing to pay for those things, and on their way out, they pay their bill in full. No surprises at the end in the mail a few weeks later or anything like that.
Yeah, I don't have to dread going to the mailbox later that day. We've got some other prices on the screen of different tests. They're all very affordable as well.
Absolutely.
So things like strep tests, they can pay right there on the spot.
Right there on the spot, $10.
Okay, that's great. And Gigi, you see a lot of the female patients there at GracePointe Healthcare. So what concerns are you having about them?
I'm seeing a lot of women in their 30s and 40s who are fatigued, having difficulty sleeping, maybe difficulty losing weight, skin issues or headaches, stuff like that. And a lot of them are just suffering from hormonal imbalances.
So what kind of things are you doing for them?
We can run some blood tests and find out where they are with their hormones and offer them some different kinds of treatment, one being like transdermal creams that are compounded by a local pharmacy. They're bioidentical to just help them, find the right balance.
Right, that's great, getting them a lot of help. And Rob, talk about the other services you offer. I know you do routine care at GracePointe Healthcare,
Right,
but what else do you offer?
Well, one of the things that's real popular is the B12 or B-complex injections, where you just walk in and get your shot. $10 for B12, $20 for B-complex, and we can get that as often as once a week. We do Botox and fillers, of course, and we're the least expensive in town at $10 a unit.
Wow.
And if you bring 5 of your friends, if one person can get 5 of their friends to come in, they get their Botox for half price. $5 a unit.
Great deal. And we're seeing before and after pictures there. Of course, Botox and fillers are going to make you look a lot younger. I'm sure folks are just loving that.
Yep. Oh yeah, they like that youthful appearance and relaxed appearance.
Yeah. You also offer travel immunizations.
Yes, I'm yellow fever certified through the CDC and the State Health Department, so we can do all your international travel immunizations. And Gigi and I have both traveled extensively. She used to be a missionary in Honduras, so we're very familiar with travel. We can help you out there.
Oh, wow. You also do a lot as far as adoption goes. Talk more about that.
Well, adoption physicals are part of what we do, and often that requires immunizations too. At this time of the year, we're doing a lot of school physicals and college physicals and the immunizations that go along with college, like meningitis and stuff. So.
Right. Really offering a lot for folks. Now, how easy is it to get an appointment at GracePointe Healthcare?
Very easy. Typically, first day, or that day that you call in, or the next day, and we've slowed things down. You get a half an hour appointment. We only see one patient maximum every half an hour, so you get time with your provider.
Oh, wow. Sounds good. You also have a special offer for folks watching More at Midday today. So call for your appointment now. You'll also get $50 off any office visit service for the first 50 callers. The number to call is right there on your screen. That's 615-599-6868. And the service includes routine visit, a sick visit or house call, Botox or filler, comprehensive physical exam, or the international travel immunizations. So again, for the first 50 callers, you'll get $50 off. Thank you guys so much for joining us today.
Thank you.
Hey, you can afford exceptional care at GracePointe Healthcare. They're located in Physicians Plaza of Cool Springs. That's at 740 Cool Springs Boulevard in Suite 110 in Franklin. For more information, give them a call. Again, it's 615-599-6868 or log on to GracePointeHealthcare.com. We've got a link to that site on the More at Midday section of WSMV.com.